In accordance with the most advanced technology of the world, Poles and Concrete Ltd is manufacturing Spun Pre-Stressed Concrete Pile, which is known as SPC Pile. Pre-stressed concrete circular span piles are an international phenomenon and in use all over the world, particularly in Germany, Japan, Malaysia, Indonesia, Taiwan, and Korea for quite some time. In Bangladesh, Poles and Concrete Ltd is making both spun pre-stressed poles and pile. We have a vast experience in the manufacturing of pre-tensioned spun concrete products, which are using the latest concrete technology and leading the market position in spun concrete piles. PCL spun concrete piles are circular in cross-section and are manufactured in sizes ranging from 300 mm to 700 mm diameter, with standard lengths varying from 6 meter to 15 meter in single segment. Spun concrete piles can be easily joined to any combination of length as per design requirements and manufactured with steel end plates for splicing. The total process is ISO certified. For manufacturing of spun pile, we follow the JIS A5335 1987 standard from Japan. We choose materials with highest quality. In these products, high tensile steel wire or PC bar are used as main reinforcement. Spun concrete piles are manufactured by centrifugal compaction and steam curing process, which gives uniform and assured strength with high reliability with uses of M55 grade of concrete. We never compromise with quality. For assurance of quality of the raw materials and finished products, we established our own laboratory where we test material parameters as per requirement. Besides, for conformity, we double-check the parameter from the CRTS Civil Kuwait. We have our own ready-mix concrete plant. Our transit mixer trucks are ready to supply your concrete of desired quality at your door. Which will help you to make your home faster by maintaining quality. Our spun pre-stressed piles are being driven with hydraulic static pile driving machine to make the piling work smooth and faster. We are capable of driving at least 30 piles a day, which saves your project duration. Quality is our promise and we serve up to our clients' satisfaction.